Hi guys, in this video let me quickly teach you how can you create images from words with AI for free using Microsoft Bing AI. So this is actually an AI image creator by Microsoft Bing, and all you need to do guys here is have a um, Microsoft account for this, so you can use this web feature on the website. So to be able to access that, go over to bing.com/create like that. So you just have to get a dot here and just paste that on the website on the browser URL, and it will navigate you to this one. So be sure guys you are logged into your Microsoft account, because if you are using this for the first time, you will not be introduced with this. So you have to log in first and then you will see this now. So you can then create on whatever images you want. So for example, Spider-Man versus Batman, for example. Or you can also hit surprise me. So you just have to wait for the image to be created. So there, as you can see guys, it created quality images for use with this. So all you need to do is download it, and you can also customize it if you want using Microsoft Designer. So there guys, that is actually basically how you can do this. As you can see, it has different tools here for Microsoft Designer, so just explore that guys. And there guys, so okay guys, that is actually how you can do this. So it's just very easy, and consider this website to create your desired AI images. So thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.